Shivangi Sarda and welcome to Weekly Market Watch. Before we move ahead, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So this week we've seen that there has been a roller coaster ride in terms of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Talking about Nifty, we've seen that the first half of the week saw some sort of declines, but then again it recovered towards the end of the week. Now the good part is that we have closed above its 50 daily exponential moving average, which is a crucial support to watch out for going forward. Now, we've seen that some, sort of pressure has been there in the index regards to, the other sectors. But then again, IT stocks were supporting the index, and it led on to the, bulls coming in action in the last trading session. Now talking about levels for Nifty, we can see some sort of capped upside, but then again support based buying is intact, so momentum might slightly be less, but then we are going for the upside levels, which is coming out to be 19,850 levels, and 19,442 would be an important support to watch out for. Talking about Bank Nifty, we've seen some underperformance here, and the private and the public banks have not been performing, so which is also a reason why Nifty was not being able to shoot up. So talking about the levels in Bank Nifty, we are expecting it to remain in a consolidative range in a broader band between 44,000 on the downside and on the upside around 44,750 to round about 45,000 levels. Now this is about the index majorly. We have seen quite a lot of weakness in some of the pharma and healthcare names. So this was one sector which was comparatively much down this week. Now going forward, we are expecting a good amount of action in some of the mid cap names because they are holding, and that is a good sign for the market because these stocks have not corrected. Now overall, we've seen that India VIX was down in this entire week, which is a sign that despite the weakness and market volatility, there was no panic as such. So going forward, we are expecting a little bit of a range bound and consolidative move. So enjoy this market and roller coaster ride.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.